Is Meta rejecting your ads again and again? You are not alone, and most rejections come from just a few avoidable mistakes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to avoid Meta ad rejections using simple rules you can apply before you hit publish. Rule number 1, never call people out. This is the biggest reason ads gets rejected. Meta does not allow you to talk directly about someone's health, weight, income, age, personal problems. For example, the bad wordings are you overweight, struggling with debt, these kinds of words. Instead, you can say many people look for ways to improve their health, which is perfectly safe. Financial education can help people make better decisions. So the rule is remove the word you from your ads. You will save yourself from lots of struggle. Rule number 2, no guarantees or miracle claims. Meta hates promises. You can't say guaranteed results, lose 10 kg first, make 5,000 this month, and this kind of words. Use safer wording. For example, designed to help, it may support, learn proven strategies, results may vary. This kind of word will save you. Rule number 3, keep health and money ads educational. If you are in fitness, health, finance, or make money niches, listen carefully. You cannot diagnose, promise income, or promise cures of any disease. You can, however, offer education, offer guides, offer tips, and simple disclaimers. Rule number 4, your landing page matters. Meta also checks where your ad sends traffic to. Your ad may get rejected if your page has no privacy policy, no contact details, fake countdown timers, content that doesn't match the ad. So always include privacy policy and terms and conditions page on your website or the landing page, and use real business name and keep the design clean and simple with your layout. Rule number 5, use safe creatives. Avoid visuals that trigger flags. For example, before and after images, body close-ups, and shock or exaggerated visuals, right? So instead, use lifestyle images, talking head videos, and keep it clean, simple animations. Now, let's talk about few quick pre-publish checklist. Before publishing your ad, ask yourself, am I speaking generally, not personally? It's really important. Did I avoid guarantees and promises on the ad? Is my landing page compliant? Does my creative look safe and professional? If yes, your approval chances are very high. So now you have it. If you need help running compliant, high converting ads, Digital Ad Consultant team can help. We offer professional web design and digital marketing services, and we make sure your ads are approved, compliant, and built to convert. Like this video, subscribe for more Meta Ads tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.